Hi guys, it is our last and fifth video of bulk email sender. Now we will talk about email priorities. What is email priorities and how we can achieve it? Let's say we have different kind of emails. We have marketing emails. We have, let's say, some login information or some order, some payment related emails, or we have some time sensitive emails like uh, we are using email for multi-factor authentication or password recovery where it is time sensitive. It means that we can have different kind of emails and they can have different priorities. There can be some emails which should be sent immediately or which should be sent in less time. But we can also have some kind of emails which has low priority and which can be sent when our application isn't under law. Now let's try to understand how we can implement these priorities. First of all, First of all, let us try to understand how we can make these priorities. From API perspective, the user needs to have an ability to say what is priority of this email. And in both single email message and bulk email message, we can implement priority. And it can have some levels. Let's say we have C level, we have high priority, or we have medium, or we have low priority. And in both endpoint, we need these priorities. Okay, now let's think from Kafka perspective. In Kafka, we have one topic, and everything, all emails is going to this queue, this topic, and this topic is in a queue format. Everything is going to this topic, and our Kafka scheduler, Kafka listener is getting email message from this topic and sending it. With one queue, with one topic, it is not easy to implement this mechanism. It is hard. Actually, if you use RabbitMQ, I think RabbitMQ already have some kind of priority queue. Yep, priority queue. Yeah, RabbitMQ has already a priority queue and we can use it. And the message inside queue can change their place based on priority. But with Kafka, we don't have this kind of ability because the messages inside Kafka topic, Kafka partition are immutable. It is not alterable. We cannot change its offset or etc. Instead of changing image, instead of changing email places, changing email order, we can have multiple topic depending on our priority. So we can have three topic in our case. It can be in low, medium, or high high priority. If you want to make it dynamic, you can create these topics in for loop when application is initialized, and you can make it dynamic. But for now, let's say you only have the topic and no need for making it dynamic. Now inside this scheduler, we need to have say listener. First, to not have duplication, I will make this method a shared method. It's send mail message. It is low, medium, and high. And inside our service, we can choose the topic depending on our DTO priority. Before that, let's implement priorities. I will add it to bulk sender also. We also need to add it to DTOs. So in bulk sender, let's add it to here also. Now let's go back to our Kafka scheduler. Now what will happen? Now we will have three topic, three executor topic. But what we achieved here, let's try to understand what we achieved here. We have three topic. We have topic, let's say low topic, middle, and high. Previously, we only had one topic. If the one topic is already overcrowded, let's say if they already have 10,000 items pending, if one important message come to here, it will be end of our queue, and it will wait previous 10,000 message to be sent. After that, this important message can be sent because it is after 10,000 message. But now, as we made the topic, let's say now this 10,000 message is here, and one important message is coming to here. The thing is that these three topics is executed in parallel, and they are added to executed series in parallel. It means that the system will get one message from here, one from here, and one from here. And it will not be executed after 10,000 message. It will be executed in the middle of 10,000 message. Most probably in the beginning, in the very beginning of 10,000 messages. So by that way, we reordered our messages. It become better, but it can be even better. We don't have any mechanism to make high priority messages even faster. Let's say if there are messages coming from all three priorities, we need to make sure there are some kind of mechanism, so they can have different level of priorities. Let's say we want to execute three message at a time here, but from middle we want to execute 10 message and from high we want to execute certain message. uh, it means that if there are high message, we need to focus to it, and low and middle messages should have lower execution rate if they are middle and high. Like, we are limiting their speed, uh, and we are giving more speed to high priority. How we can do it? How we can? Uh, Inside Kafka, as I know, there are not any built-in solution for that, but we can tweak it with our semaphore. As we have semaphore here, semaphore is causing a local queue, and 1000 message can be getting from topic and can be sent to our executor series, and executor series will try to execute this 1000 messages in parallel. It means that if even low priority topic has sent some messages, this message will add it to executor service already, and if some important message is coming to high topic, it will be after 1000 message because of this semaphore. Now let's see what we can do here. First, we can have different semaphores for each topic. Let's make it semaphore low, middle, and high. Now, let's occur semaphore inside each topic. Now we need to release a proper semaphore. For that purpose, let's send semaphore as a variable. Yeah. Also, there are one potential problem. You can analyze it. If task is ejected, we need to make sure it is not ejected, or we need to release semaphore. Otherwise, it can cause some deadlock. Yeah. Now we have different semaphores. It means that even high block, high semaphore is full. If new message is coming, it will not wait high. If low semaphore is full, if new message is coming too high, it will allow it to be added to execute a series. But as this has same permits, it will not gain us much. We need to use different permits depending on our priority differences, and it is not a good idea to make this semaphore big number, big permits, because if we have too many permits, it means that if low message is coming, it can be already added to executor service, and we don't have any mechanism to get this message back from executor service. So to not send too many tasks to executor service, we can make it less. It is 30, it is 100, and it is 300. Now maximum 30 messages will be sent to our executor series. It means that when an important message is coming to high queue, in worst case, there will be maximum certain message in executed series. And this after this certain message is executed, it will get the important message and it will execute it. But actually I didn't consider middle. In worst case, if there can be certain messages in low semaphore, 100 message in the middle, and if important message is coming, it can wait up to 130 message to be executed before send. Another solution is we can have different executed services even. And if you have different executed services, it means that low message will not wait high message at all. Or we can play with these numbers to make it more sufficient. There are a lot of techniques how we can prioritize, how we can make it more smart, more how we can achieve our priority mechanism better. There are a lot of mechanisms, and for building a better mechanism, you need to plan, you need to investigate, you need to do load testing, etc. Also, depending on the task, you can decide which mechanism is better for your choice, for your application. So it is end of this video. Also, it is end of bulk email sender video series. Thank you for watching.